So many turbos on the ground. Look at all this stuff. That's going to go on the track car. Oof, so many goodies. You're all right, clear.
I love Series 3 fronts. God damn it.
That looks good.
Why have I got a shitty Series 1 front?
Boo! Yeah, boo. Hello everyone, welcome to Flat Out. Just a little update on our other 31 build. We've been getting a lot of parts together and just showing you where we're up to. We got our cross member cleaned up and painted. That's looking nice now. Also got the steering rack serviced and rebuilt. So that's going to be leak free. So that's looking really nice as well. And then got the S13 control arms, some nice ball joints in there too. And then got the caster arms, new bushes, no urethane in there. Got those painted as well. So if you kind of step back, it kind of looks pretty sweet. Sorry if you can't see it because of the lighting, but it's just awesome how all of it comes together so easy afterwards. So unfortunately, we have a little bit of a problem where we've misplaced our steering rack bolts. So we're not going to be able to get it fully rolling. During the week, we'll get those bolts and maybe just get some new ones. But all up, it's been a very productive day. And here is how Terry's R31's going. So give me that. Thank you very much, sir. So as you can see, Terry has been working his butthole off. Look at that grill, looks really nice. So Terry's just working on some like custom front bar stuff. So he's just doing some mixing and matching and test fits. So hopefully
that will be the finished product look though.
It could be the new style. So yeah, he's just mucking around, maybe kind of figure out some custom front bar stuff. But from the last time you probably saw it, it's all looking pretty sweet. So
these wheels are for sale.
Yeah, they are for sale. So hopefully by the time this video's out, we would have sold these. Listen, they are really good wheels. Unfortunately, the offset's no good to run on an S13 front end because they rub on the front. Yeah, whatever. It's not. It's like we could keep them, but if we wanted to run these wheels full time on the S13 front ends, we'd actually have to grind the caliper, and it's like.
Or just run a spacer, which I don't want to do.
I don't want to run spacers either.
We're not 17 anymore.
Yeah, those days are over. So Terry picked these up, which is awesome. They look great, so we'll keep our eyes out for another one. So yeah, as you can tell, it's been pretty productive and everything's gone together quite well. So I'll see if I can film a little bit and then see how we're traveling. But hopefully today will be some leaps and bounds. So all right, let's get into it. So we've been chipping away and we've just popped in the coilovers and the wheels. As you can see, it's looking pretty good at the moment. We're just kind of test fitting, so a few of the stuff is going to come off. There's a little bit more mucking around that we need to do, but at least this is how it's looking at the moment. It's not looking too bad. As you can see, the wheels match the car really nice. Very happy with those. So yeah, so we need to take the stock suspension out to get the coilovers in. So yeah, not the greatest job in the world. So through the magic of editing, here's what we're gonna do now. All right, where were we? Terry popped the rear coilovers in. He's done a great job. We're not gonna use these full time. It's just to get the car rolling and get the car down on the ground. At the moment, we're putting all the front end together. We got the Allen key bolts for the rack and the new bushes. So that's all done. That's all connected now. And that's the GK Tech solid steering bush. So yeah, the boot's gonna go on, snap them on, and then we can put the tie rods on. And hopefully this will be rolling shortly. Oh! All right, not sure if you guys know, the rack ends, they're N14. The rack ends are N14 and obviously the S13 tie rod ends. So yeah, no, it's looking good. We've just slapped it together. Boots are on, cable ties are on too, so it's starting to look really good. So we'll just kind of adjust these, line them up nice, and then she'll be ready to go. Woo! And I'm not sure if you've seen, but here's a close-up of the wheels we'll be running. These things are fantastic. Look at that. Love the black with like the double dish, like the double level there, how it drops down. Pretty sweet. Not the greatest tyres. I will be replacing these to a more reputable, reliable tyre, but there's not really much wrong with these. I'll just use them up and use all the material and then put some good rubber on them afterwards. But as you can see, they look pretty neat, pretty nice. So yeah. We may or may not have had the coilovers the wrong way. So I'll let you guys figure that out. Terry got new Allen key bolts for the top hats, so that's looking nice. And yeah, they're on the right way, maybe.
Just gotta watch the around the front bar.
Yeah, no worries. All right, big moment. Everything's been whipped up. I'm watching the front, mate, so.
Yeah, just I think because I haven't had it on the ground yet.
Yeah.
I just thought I was gonna hit anything.
No worries. You're all clear here. So many turbos on the ground. Look at all this stuff. That's going to go on the track car. Oof, so many goodies. You're all right. Clear. Clear. Oh, shit.
She's definitely low, but not
Low.
not our low.
Low.
Dude, look at that! Like with the rack and everything in it now.
Look at that.
Dude, this needs a turbo on it now.
Looks good. Love it. Nice. So we're going to give the engine bay a degrease and a clean. I've bought my pressure washer and some stuff to eat away at the dirt. Oh, look at that. Damn. Nice.
Hey, Polly, there's no ignition.
How come it's not turning on?
I don't know.
There's your problem. You hard?
I'll get Scotty out here.
Yeah, all right.
The front's sick. It's just the rear's a little too high.
Yeah,
I love Series 3 fronts. God damn it.
that looks good.
Why have I got a shitty Series 1 front?
Boo! Yeah, boo. Just fucking with you.
Dude, that's gonna be a baller street car.
Yeah.
I'm a little scared how far the front's sticking
Yeah,
out.
me too. They do stick out a lot.
It is a little far. Just a slight.
I like your choice of wheels though.
Leave me alone.
Yeah, they dope. All right, we are, we're done. It's been a very productive day. The front end is in. The main goal of today was to get this running so we could get Terry's 31 up on the hoist so he can just double check a few things. So it hasn't been serviced yet. So Terry said there's an exhaust leak. Obviously, you know, a little bit of diff oil, but this is stuff that's normal on a 31 this age. But when we're looking at it, it honestly looks pretty good. Terry said that he's going to be happy to drive it around for a while and enjoy it, which would be good. We might keep the bonnet black, but that's all right. Early days, not sure yet. But as you can see, it's sitting nice. Obviously, it needs to be fine-tuned with the suspension and kind of how it's sitting. But as you can see, it's come up really nice. So super happy with it. And it's good to see 231s in there again that are kind of running towards the finish line, which is great. So yeah, very productive. Thanks for your help, mate. Cheers. RB25 box, that'll be going in the track car. And then, yeah, lots of goodies here that will be slapping on the track car. Once my car's finished, this will go back to my place, track car will come in, and then all of this stuff gets bolted on.
Start with that.
Yeah. Which would be good. So, yeah, we're done. So thank you very much for watching. We'll keep you posted on the next video. So take care, all right? See you, bye.